What's up guys, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a cool movement system like crouching, running, and a really cool looking movement. So like when you walk, it's different than having it like you see like this. This is really boring and we're going to do it in R6. So let's get started. First, open your Explore Properties tab. How about going to View and pressing these two? Then what you got to do is go to Game Settings, save to Roblox. I'll just name it Tutorial. Boom. Okay, after it's saved, you can go to Avatar Settings, Preview on. It shouldn't be like this, so what you got to do is go down here. I'm just bring it high and do R6 only. So if you see the preview, they're all the same height, which is perfect. And then press save changes and save and restart. And then paste this script in the description down below. So now what this does, it talks about the jumping, and if it's crouching, it'll make the player be uncrouched. And I think that's how you say it. And then you got the sliding, which you can slide. And then you got the left shift, which is your run, and the walking. So if you guys need a mobile version where you can make it for mobile players too, just comment down below tutorial and I'll do it. So now what we're gonna do is just wait. It won't work yet, so we just go here, press this workspace arrow, then we press this arrow right next to our name. Then you have to copy this animation. So Command C or Control C. So after you did it, you press pause, come here and Control V or Command V, and then put the anime in starter character scripts. Now here you can change the walking animation and all that. So I'm gonna just get it from the toolbox because I'm not an animator. So let's just write walking anim. Sure, let's use this one. And then let's go here, avatar, press on him, animation editor, press on him, ignore. And this is the item. So what we're gonna do is publish to Roblox, save, and after it loads, press this right here. And then you go back to your anime, you come right here and paste it right here and press tab once. Yep. So you paste the ID that you just copied right here. Just pressing Command V or Control V works. Then let's go to the walking animation. So walk, yeah, sure. Publish, save, copy as it says ID copied, and then we're gonna go to our animate, walk, get this numbers out, and Command V or Control V. Now run, we don't need that, so don't worry about it. We're gonna press jump, publish, save, copy, and then you do it again and then again. Now I'm not gonna fast forward this because some people might have trouble with this and it might not work if you don't do it correctly, so sorry. Copy, boom. And then we got the falling animation as well. Boom, just like that. And then we can change the walk anim by copying this right here, the number, Command C or Control V. Then open the animate by pressing this arrow, go down to walk, open it, and you see this walk anim, just paste it. Boom, simple as that. Now what we should see is, you see we have our new animations, and for also the jumping and all that, we got to do it again right here. And I think that should be it. So let's just close it all up and let's check it. Okay, animations work perfectly. Now if you press C or shift, it'll still not work because we don't have the animations in yet. So we gotta exactly go by the name that I put. So let's go. I think this guy should have a run, pretty sure. Yes, he does. So let's just add this run, save, and copy ID. And then inside this movement script, we're gonna press this plus icon and add an animation, and copy the paste the animation ID in right here. And then what did I name the I named it run anim. So we're gonna go back to our animation, which is right here, and name it run anim. It should be exactly spelled like this. If it's not, then you can come and change it right here. This is the run animation. And now what we gotta work on next is the slide, crouch, and okay. So let's go back to our toolbox and slide anim. Now we're gonna go back to our movement script, plus icon, animation, and name this slide anim. Again, if it's not spelled like that, if the name is not like that, then what you gotta do is just change it right here, right here. Names are really important. And make sure that they are R6. If you do R15 animations, it's different. So let's see, this is the walking, and it does not have the idle, which is fine. And then animation ID, and crouch, walk, and good. And then we just need the idle for the crouch. Let's jump. Right here. Boom. Now save, copy ID, and boom. Perfect. Animation, crouch, idle, anim. Just like that. And now let's try it out. So we got the run animation, we got the sliding, and the sliding is also like if you press jump, it'll cancel it. So you kind of have like slide cancel, and you have the crouching system. If you don't move, it idles, moves, and if you jump, as you see, it starts walking. Now you cannot run. If you press L shift, it will not work because you're crouching. So you either press jump or C again. And then, yep, that's it. Every animation works. And have a good time.